Hey everybody, it's Stairway TMD Realty. I want to talk to you about something I'm excited about. If you're 62 years or older, there's something called a HECM home equity conversion mortgage, or some people refer to it as a reverse purchase mortgage. It's available in Texas. I'm speaking to you as a realtor, not a loan officer. But it could be a great option for you. And instead of being limited by the normal FHA county limits, my lender tells me you can go up to $765,000 loan amount. So if you're a couple, both 62, or say that you're not married, both of you have to be 62, both purchasers have to be at least 62 to qualify for the program. It allows you to put down payment from either the sale of a previous home or other monies you have. Has to be your primary residence, so you have to move into the home within 60 days. They do some credit, and they want to make credit check, and they make sure that you have enough income to cover the expenses. You won't have a mortgage payment. That's the best part of it. So if you're looking to downsize, even upsize, maybe an option for you. Can't really go into down payment details since I'm not a licensed loan officer, but basically you need to be prepared about half of the purchase price. And the lender tells me that if you do a adjustable rate mortgage, you have to put down less than if you put down a fixed rate mortgage, and you can talk to them about which one of those scenarios works best for you. Going to depend on how long you think you're going to be in the home. But rates are still really good now. Don't know what they are on these products, but again, not a loan officer, so he'll have to talk to you about that. But you have no monthly mortgage payment. That's the great part. All you have to do is pay your taxes, insurance, any HOA dues, take care of the maintenance. So if you're looking to increase your cash flow, that's one scenario this could work for you. And unlike the rumor out there, you actually do own your home. You're not making payments on the mortgage, so it's accruing interest. So at the time that either the last spouse passes away, you'll have to sell it, and there's some timelines in there up to about a year that you have to sell it. So the heirs will have up to a year. They could even buy it. So could be a big plus to your heirs too when that time comes. But if you have any questions, I'd love to talk to you more about it. I think it's a great program for anyone that's at least 62 or older. The older you are, the less you have to put down. So another way to purchase a home you may not have even considered. If you have questions, reach out to me. Hope you're doing well. Talk to you soon.